Before we do the unboxing, please check customtrackmasters.com. These are the latest items added to my website. That is supposed to be full, so this is just as a reference to give you an idea how big the box is. Garbage bag, check. Look. Remote control Thomas, 2009 Mattel. Rocket, so no time to check the batteries. Scarloy, 2009 Mattel. Thomas, 2009 Mattel. I guess this is for parts. They are wrapped in paper. 2009 Mattel Gordon. Look at the wire. Almost snapped. It's okay. 2009 Mattel Bert. This one actually looks good. Mattel, also 2000, what? 2009 Mattel Duncan. I don't know if they work or not. I don't know if we're gonna have time to check. 2006 Hitoy Company Salty. It looks okay. Another Mattel Percy, 2009. This one definitely was abandoned. Good for a restoration. But the contacts look okay. We'll figure out later. And we have Den. I think Den is 2009. They were made, yes, they were made 2010. Actually 2010 Mattel. Den. Another Mattel, and this one is Toby. It needs a lot of work, I guess. Mattel, Thomas, good for parts or, custom. You know what I'm talking about. Very messy. Oh yeah, you're not gonna believe this. Ari. So we have Bert and Ari. Nice. So this one look good actually. Not bad for the age. So this video is going to be only unboxing, and this looks very decent. Look, also 2009 Mattel. They almost missed the printing. This should be, I guess it should be in the center. But looks good. Another Mattel 2009 Scarloy. There's one. Here's the other one. Heavy. I think the battery is in there. Look at that, guys. A Batman Thomas with moving eyes. I think this model is for parts. I don't think it works. I think these are crooked. Is this supposed to be like that? Or was a custom made something? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Batman. See, the reason I'm not going to have time to test them all is because there are so many. So we have Rosie, also 2009 Mattel. It just needs new decals. Well, that's what I think. Maybe it needs a lot of work. So we have close shave duck. This one is Hitoy Company 2006. It needs let me check the battery compartment. Looks okay, not bad. Needs also decals. Tolkien James. I'm glad that comes with the coupling. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I'm gonna put it right there. A Hitoy Company Molly's Tender. Broken coupling. Look at this wear. A lot of wear on this tender decals. Stay right there. Also Mattel 2009 with good, decent condition. I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but it's good. Actually, it's good. With right there. I think this person used to buy a lot of Mattel. Another Mattel. It is Neville. Oh, poor little Neville. It had a lot of wear. It has a lot of wear. It's being played a lot. Missing a rubber ring or tire. Another Percy 2009 Mattel. Oh, look at that. broken. So this definitely is gonna be for parts. I can use the bottom part, and this one definitely is not good, no bueno. Sorry guys, no fix and repair today, but we have Victor. This one actually, is it Mattel or Hit Toy Company? It's a 2008. I don't see, oh, 2008. Oh yes, right here, Mattel. 2009, Victor. Look at the face. Snow covered diesel, also Mattel. Okay, broken coupler. But look, it looks good actually. Not bad, not bad. If you are expecting to do some, watch some fix and repairs, please come back tomorrow. This is gonna take a long time. I'm just unboxing the models. Dash also Mattel. See, I love when I get a lot of broken trains, when I buy them, you know, so I can fix and repair. Hitoy Company, 2006 Rusty. Sorry if my camera picks very bright or, I mean, the colors are fade, they are not the same. But anyways, I'll try to fix the colors. This is definitely for parts, not even wheels. I don't think I can even sell this thing. Another Mattel, but this definitely needs a big wash. Connor for parts. Different color actually. The wheels are changed. I don't know why. Maybe because it was exposed to the sunlight or whatever. I will say this definitely is a mega unboxing, since there is a lot in here. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to check every single one. So we have stuff for another 2012 Mattel. Most of these engines are Mattel. Trackmaster Revolutions Thomas. This one looks decent, doesn't look bad. Again, Mattel. Molly's Tender. Why I always get confused? It's Emily. I always say, sorry, in the previous video I said Molly. And it's not only this video. I always edit and cut the, when I get confused when I say Molly and Emily. I always say Molly. I know, guys. I know what I messed up that big time always. But I don't know why I always confuse those, both Emily and Molly. I always say, when I try to say Molly, I say Emily. When I say Emily, I say Molly. But anyways, so we have 2009 Plarail. Poor hero, look at that. At least the decals look decent. Hero, that's good. Obviously Mattel, 2009 Freddy. Look at this. It's not bad actually. It's good. Freddy. Do you fit in the... Okay. I tried to open the shot so you can... I mean, I can fit more models in here. So this is Plarail. Just one set of wheels. At least the coupler things are good. Hit Toy Company James. Oh, this one actually is Buzz James, something like that, I guess. Yeah. Well, this one is nice. Boko. It needs a repaint. I need to repaint the roof. And someone tried to put some decals or stickers or whatever. Nice. Dart also Mattel 2010. This one looks decent too. Oh man, look at this Dennis. Sun faded or whatever. What? Oh, look at this. Here is some sort of gray and it looks greenish. Wow, I think was exposed. The motor definitely is dead. You can see a lot of corrosion, rust inside there. But we can make a custom model out of it. Good for parts, Mattel 2009 Henry. Yeah, I can use the motor and maybe the side rods, or maybe the whole thing. Sorry if it's taking too long, guys, but anyways, obviously Mattel. I can tell it's Mattel for the face. Yeah, Mattel. This This all 10. See, another Mattel. Sear handle. Definitely need a good decals and a lot of work. And I guess we're going to do a lot of videos out of it, fix and repair. Mattel also scruff. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything again about Mattel. I'm just gonna say every single engine looks Mattel. Just a few hit toy company. So we have Arthur 2012. Some people call it knockoff, so I'm gonna say 2012. Douglas. Actually, it doesn't say Donald Douglas, but I remember since 2012. So this one is Douglas. Anyways, Gordon Stender. That screw means Mattel, and it is Mattel for parts. I think I have like a 10 more. So we have Duke, also Mattel. This one definitely hit toy company. Molly. I was about to say Emily. See, that's what I don't know. I don't get it. I don't know why, but okay. Someone broke, I think, this model. Caitlin, obviously Mattel. Here is Connor. I don't think this comes with tenders. Hey, toy company. Peter Sam needs decals. Also on the other side. Okay. I'm almost done, guys. Harvey, obviously Mattel. Good. Another for parts, and you know that this is going to be Timothy. Yep, I was expecting to get these models. I like that they are complete. Most of the buffer beams are bent or chipped away, but this one looks entire. Here is Dash, also Mattel. Where is his? Okay, right there. So we had Dash too. Oh, this one definitely good. Paxton. I like it. I like it. Okay, I found Harvey's motorized coach. Yeah, good. We'll find out later if it works. This one definitely was a mega unboxing. Obviously, Mattel Rheneas, yellow Rheneas. Another Rusty, but this one is Hit Toy Company. Where is the other Rusty? Oh, over there. I'm gonna put it right here. And the very last is Connor's passenger car. Definitely a mega unboxing. Okay, see you later. Did you count how many engines I get in this box? I have no clue. So not counting passenger cars. Let me know in the comments.